What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join a friend's game in Battlefield 6. If your friend is already in a match or if you're trying to join as the 5th person in a squad, here's what you need to do. From the home screen, press R2 on PlayStation, RT on Xbox or the tab key on PC to open the EA Connect menu. Then go over to your friend's name and press the left stick to open the More Actions menu. You will see options like Join Party, but what you actually wanna select is Join Game. Once you choose that, the game will try to put you directly into their lobby. If the match is full, for example, if it shows 16 out of 16 players, you will be placed in a queue. As soon as someone leaves, you will automatically join their team. Usually for official servers, there is only one person in the queue, so it doesn't take long. If you have 5 or 6 players and you all wanna stay in the same match, it's much easier to switch to a custom server. Go to the server browser, use filters or recommended options and look for a game with a good player count. Pick a lobby that isn't full so everyone can join together. The nice thing about custom games is that the lobbies stay together after each match, so your entire group can keep playing on the same team without getting separated, and that's how you join your friend's game in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.